Hello all in. This quick video will add your very first contact, show how to edit or delete contacts, and even create custom fields to store extra details. Let's dive in. To start, go to the Contacts tab in your left menu. Click Add Contact and fill in the details, name, email, phone, and any other info you want. The more details you add, the easier it is to personalise your follow-ups. Done? Click Save. That's it, you've just added your first contact. Forms and surveys automatically create a new contact when someone submits them. Go to Contacts again. Click on a contact row to open that person's card. Make your changes on the left-hand side, name, email, phone, tags, whatever you need. When you're done, click Save to keep your contact list current. Next, let's talk about deleting a contact. Go to Contacts in the main menu. Select the contact you want to remove using the checkbox next to their name. Click Delete. Confirm by typing Delete in the pop-up box, then click Delete again. Keep in mind this removes their conversations, notes, tasks and appointments, and stops any active workflows. Deleted contacts can still be restored for up to 2 months. Finally, let's create custom fields to store the data that matters to your business. Go to Settings, and then go to Custom Fields. Click Add Field. Choose the type, text, drop-down, or date. Give it a clear name and group so your team knows what it's for. Click Save. That's it, your new field is ready to use on any contact card. You've learned how to create, edit, and manage contacts. Keeping your list clean and detailed helps your automations and messages hit the mark. Thanks for watching this video. Follow us for more videos, or feel free to contact us or comment below if you have any questions.